Hi, this is Laura with CoachMeLaura.com and at your service mobile notary. I want to check in with you today about how to take your knowledge, your skill, your expertise serving the public as a notary and make money while you're doing it. First of all, we need to get it off of someday and make it now. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to expect it. And the way we're going to demonstrate that expectation is we're going to start doing what we can with what we have and where we are. We're going to start making appointments with ourselves on our calendar for some step that I can take to get myself closer to being whatever kind of notary it is that you want to be. I'm a six-figure notary. Would you like to be a six-figure notary? You can do that. It's not enough to be interested. Interested means when it's convenient, I might do some work towards it. Committed means I do the work, whether I feel like it or not, right? Because that's what's going to get me there. So examples of demonstrating my expectancy of being a six-figure notary is that I spend money to buy the tools that I need. I create a designated space where I can do the work. I take care of any additional educational needs. I have a coach. I take all these steps, all these actions to get me where I'm at. And yes, I've been doing this for 16 years. But you know what? I've been a notary for 16 years. It's really only the last 3 or 4 years that I've been coaching, that I've expanded my business, and that I crossed over into that six-figure income. So I know some people will think, well, right now it's easy to make six figures because there's so many loan signings available. If you've got the credential, you can just go out there and do the work. And you can earn a lot of money right now. But here's what I'm going to tell you, is that it's short-lived. The real estate market won't always be like this. The amount of work and the amount they're willing to pay you won't always be like this. So you want to make sure you've created a foundation for your business, and that means that you can do more than just one thing, and that you really understand what it is that you do, and that you can expand in other opportunities that are related to what you do, that you can leverage the same skills and expertise to do other work. That's what's going to get you there, and then that's what's going to keep you there. So here's what I have to do. I have to make an appointment with myself on my calendar to do certain things. I need to make an appointment with myself to make this video. And you know what? I didn't make an appointment this month. And guess what? I missed 3 weeks of videos. I had to put it on the calendar. When I don't, it doesn't happen. All right, so I make appointments with myself to write up what I want to talk about. I have another appointment for the videotaping of that. All right, I have another appointment for people that I'm going to coach. I have another appointment for whatever it is. I make appointments every day for myself. I'm on my calendar. If I'm doing so much work that I don't have time in my own calendar to work on myself, to work on my business, then my business is not long-term because I don't have a foundation to support it. So I hope this was helpful. Make those appointments with yourself. And you know what? Sometimes that appointment is just to meditate, just to relax, just have a cup of coffee and take a breath. That's okay to have that kind of an appointment as well. All right, until the next time, make it safe.